Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to install mouse drivers on Windows 10 step by step. If you're having issues with your mouse not working properly or if Windows isn't detecting it, installing or updating the drivers can often resolve the issue. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. You can just type Device Manager into the search bar and click on it when it appears. Step 2. Once in Device Manager, locate mice and other pointing devices, then double-click on it to expand the section. Step 3. Right-click on your mouse listed here and select the Update driver from the menu that pops up. Step 4. Now select Search automatically for updated driver software. This will prompt Windows to look for any available updates online. Step 5. If Windows doesn't find any updates, go back and select Browse My Computer for drivers. Step 6. Then, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. This will show you a list of drivers already on your system. Step 7. Choose the most compatible driver, preferably one that has the manufacturer's name in the driver title. This is usually the best option. Step 8. Click Next and allow Windows to update the driver. It will take a moment, so be patient while the update is applied. Step 9. Once the driver is updated, you'll need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restarting, your mouse should work as expected. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.